Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Aiman Hakim, and now I will present to you how to make the sodium chloride crystal using the salt solution. The apparatus and material that we need is salt, half glass of water, spoon and plate. So first of all, put the salt into the water. Keep adding the salt until it can dissolve anymore. Next, pour the solution on the plate and let it dry for a few days. Wait until the crystal is formed. So, this is the result for the crystal form. On day 2, we can see only 2 crystals are formed and a lot of water is still remain. On the final day, we can see a lot of crystals are formed and all the water is already evaporated. As we can see in this result, the crystal is formed in the cubic shape. There are also a pattern on the crystal form. So, how the crystal is formed? The crystal is formed when we dissolve the natrium chloride into the water. The positive ion of the natrium will attract the negative ion in the water, which is oxygen ion, while the chlorine ion will combine with the hydrogen ion. This is due to its polarity. When the water is evaporated, the concentration of natrium chloride will increase. Natrium ions and chlorine ions will attract to each other due to its difference in charge and form ionic bond. This repeating pattern of ionic bond will act as crystal lattice and form the crystal structure. This ionic compound have both attractive and repulsive force, but due to formation of crystal structure, the attractive force becomes slightly stronger and hold the structure together. The NaCl crystal will have the face-center cubic crystal structure, which has the coordination number of 6. One natrium ion will bond to the 6 chlorine ion, and one chlorine ion will bond to the 6 natrium ion. The total of natrium ion per unit cell is equal to the 12H times 1/4 per H plus 1 center ion, which equal to 4 ion of natrium. Total ion of chlorine per unit cell is equal to 8 corner times 1/8 per corner plus 6 faces times 1/6 per faces, which is equal to 4 chlorine ions. So the total of ions per unit cell is equal to 8 ions. So lastly, tips for doing this experiment. First, using the hot water. This is due hot water will help us to dissolve the maximum amount of salt. Next, using the larger surface container. This is due the larger the surface container, the higher the rate of evaporation. Next, dry under the sun. This will help the evaporation process. And lastly, control the concentration of natrium chloride. Too high concentration of natrium chloride will lead to the rapid crystallization and smaller crystal form. Too low concentration of natrium chloride will lead to the slow growth or no formation of crystal at all. So, find the correct concentration of your natrium chloride for your desired crystal. So that's all for me. I hope you